So this is the list of callbacks. Means if you want how many callbacks you want to insert, you can have that many callbacks here. So that is a queue. Okay. That is so initially queue is empty. If you want to add any callbacks, you can use this function to add any callback. So from the external side, we will call one callback that will push to this callbacks. Okay. So this function is to add any callbacks. Initially it is 0. So now if any callback is called from outside, that will be called here CB, and that CB is pushed to this callback. So in that way, this callbacks size is incremented. Initially 0, 1, 2, 3, like how many callbacks you want, you can insert that many callbacks here. Okay, so because initially it is 0, this won't work, and initially this also won't work. Okay, see, if you see here, I took two callbacks. One is for log and another one is for error. So I took two callbacks. Okay, means before this one, I wanted to add two callbacks. See, the advantage of callbacks is you can have any number of callbacks here. Here I said queue, so you can have any number of callbacks, not only one or two. Here I'm taking, so you can add n number of callbacks before your actual code. Means before this is your actual code. Okay, before this actual code, you can insert any, means before or after. So any number of callbacks here. Here also callback is there. Here also callback is there. So you can have n number of callbacks. Okay, so here I am taking two callbacks. So I am extending my driver callback with log callback. So means
Yeah, where
by
you define this driver callback class?
DRV will be created, and in the heap memory, that object will be created. So that object is having, so DRV. So DRV class is having what is it having? Integer x. Means it will store x. By default, that value is equal to 0. If I declare that one, okay. How many callbacks are there initially?
Zero.
Nothing, 0, right? 0. So means that time there is no occupation in the heap memory. Okay. After this object is creation. So just in the while creating object, only x is there. That's it. Okay. And this, for example, this assume this address is equal to 2000. Okay. Now I am creating log db log configuration. Okay. See here what will happen here. For log, one object will be created. Okay. For example, assume this is a 0x3000. Okay. This is for the driver. Okay. This is for the log
Log.
callback thing. Okay. And one more object is for the error callback. So there are total 3 objects. Okay. So in the log also nothing is there actually. Log CB and error CB, just a class is there. There is no properties. Okay. Even the object is created, no property is there inside this one. Okay. Just assume this log DB, CDB. Okay. And here now I am calling function. Okay. In the driver, we have add callback function. So I am sending this this handle to this callback, add callback. What will happen? What will happen in that time? So means this log log come to here first. Okay. So that log is pushed on the callback. So means here in the heap memory, first it will create that log callback, log callback object. Okay. So means first it will create this one. Okay. Second time it will call the error. Okay. So at that time here error will be replaced in the heap memory. Okay. Assume that is for error we have 0x4000. So means here 0x4000 will be created. So you understood this point, right?
Yes, yes.
Your driver. Okay. Now it will come to the task send. So now it will check for each callback. So we have two callbacks, right? One is the log and another one is the error. So callback of 0 means it is the log, right? It will go to callback of 0 dot pre-send of this. So means what will happen here? It will go to the this one. Okay. First time. Saraj understood this one? So
Okay.
callback of 0 driver sending packet. Okay. Again, later post callbacks for each callback of 0 means callback of 0 means again it is the first one is the log db. It will come to the post send. So means it will print this message. After send. Again for each of callback of 1, callback of 1 means what? This one error cb. In the error cb there is no post send, right? There is no post send in the error cb. That is there in the driver callback only. Means here in this only. So that is just a virtual implementation, right? So there is nothing in the inside that. So finally you can see this for in the output. To understand this one, right? Last point. For error CP, just I am implementing only pre-send. Means post-send is just empty function only still.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. That's
For logDB, I implemented two functions: virtual function pre-send and post-send here.
uh,
Okay.
yeah. Because there it was pre-sent two options and post-sent of them.
Means basically your callback function have two functions. So you can implement these two functions. Either you can implement one or two. That is your
Yes.
application. So means based on your needs you are implementing. Okay. So but that hook is before these are the two hooks. One is the here and another one is here. Okay. So means in this way you can add your own logic. So without changing your driver code. Okay. See, this is your driver code. So without changing this driver code, just you are extending just you are using callbacks only. This is one callback and this is one callback classes. Okay. Just you are using callback classes only uh, to insert your logic. Okay. I am injecting two callbacks here. One is log callback, and another one is the error callback. So in this way, there could be hundreds of callbacks. So you can add all those callbacks also. Here just I am sending only two only. But in your application, if you want many things, you can send many callbacks at the same time.